So the Milwaukee Gen 4. A lot of people don't like it. A lot of people like it. A lot of people don't like this feature. I don't like that feature. Auto stop, really? I wanted to break my wrist. Because you know what? This is prematurely stopping because it's so sensitive. Very sensitive. You hit a little something, it's going to turn off. I hate that. I'm going to show you how to turn it off. Go to the middle position. It's in the center. Pull the trigger 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is now deactivated. Go forward. Want to activate it again? I don't know why you would. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It is now activated again. Go forward. I hate that feature. Why? Take it off. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Activates. All right, there you go. Thank me later. Send me $1. Cash App.